it's Risa. Let's do another cooking time together. Yay! Today I chose a dessert. So let's make parfait together. Woo! I think a lot of kids like it and even the grown-ups, I like it too. So yeah, let's start making. Let's go. The things that I'm going to use is cereal and some brownies and ice cream, ooh, cold, and strawberries. Yay! Before we start making, I personally like to put the glass in the fridge so when we put the ice cream in it, it won't melt right away. So let's start making. Okay, so we want to make the layers. So first, I'm going to put cereal on the bottom. Let's put some cereal inside to give the crunchiness. And spread it out. Cereal, good. For the next layer, let's put ice cream. Let's see. 1 scoop. Maybe one more. 2 scoops. Second layer, ice cream. Done. Let's do third layer, cereal one more time. Whee! Third layer, cereal, done. Next, let's put some brownies. Let's cut it into a little pieces. Nice and small bites. Fourth layer, let's put brownies in. Boom! Fifth layer, let's put ice cream one more time. One scoop and one more. Two scoops. Looking good. Let's add a little bit of cereal before we finish. Just sparkle it on just a little bit. There you go. Good. And to add a little nice color, let's add some fresh strawberries on the top. So let's cut the strawberry. So now I'm going to sprinkle the strawberries on the top. Yay! It looks nice and colorful. And I also add a couple Pockies in here. Yay, looks cute. Yay, so parfait is done. I think it's also easy snack treat that you can make it with your kids. So I hope you enjoy making it together. If you guys have any requests for the videos, please type it in. And I hope everyone's doing well and see you soon. Goodbye!